Type Google Form. Now click on the first link. Now click here. Click here. As you can see, you have a lot of templates. You can choose any of them. I'm going to choose this one. So this is the form we are going to use in our website. You can also edit the form if you want. Let's say you want to change the name of your form. I'm going to name it Stay in Touch. You can also delete any specific field. To delete any field, click on the field you want to delete. Now click here. To change the theme of your form, click here. I'm going to choose this color. To change the header image, click here. I'm going to choose this one. Now click Insert. Our form is ready. Now click here. Click here. Now open your website in a new tab. I'm going to create a new page where I want to display my form. Now click on this plus icon and search for HTML. Click here. Now open the previous tab where you have created the form. Click here. Paste the code here. Now click Publish. To view the page, click here. As you can see, our form has been added in our website. To remove this scroll bar, go back to the page editor. Increase the height and click Update. Now if we refresh the page, you can see the scroll bar has been removed. Now let's test this form. As you can see, our form has been submitted. Now if we go back to the page where we have created the form, you can see we have one response. Now instead of checking all the responses here, you can also add email notification. To add the email notification, click here. Now click Add-ons. Now search for email notification. Click here. Click Install. Click here. Now select your Gmail account and click Allow. Click Done. Click here. Now click here. Click Email Notification for Gmail form. Click Create Email Notification. Now enter your role name. I'm going to write Contact Form. Enter the email address on which you want to receive notifications. Scroll down. Check this box. Choose email. Now click Save Rule. Our email notification setting has been created. Now let's test our form. Open Gmail. As you can see, we have received an email which include all the information. You can also reply to this email.